Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, everyone. Mega love shout out all subscribers and followers of this channel. Today we're going to study dividing mixed numbers, and this is your teacher, Arife Adonis. All right, so before we go on, we need to review, no, how to multiply mixed number. So in here, so we have 5 and 1/4 times 4 and 2/3. So first, we need to transform the mixed number into an improper fraction. No? 5 times 4 is 20 plus 1, that's 21 over 4 times 3 times 4 is 12 plus 2, that's 14 over 3. Okay. So we're going to use cancellation method, and using cancellation method we use the cross product theorem now. So we have here the LGCF of 4 and 14 is 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 14 divided by 2 is 7. And then at the same time 21 and 3. So for the GCF of 21 and 3 is 3, no? So 3 divided by 3 is 1. 21 divided by 3 is 7. 7 times 7 is 49. Okay, divided by 2. So this, since we have improper fraction with a given value, so remember that we need to uh, transform your answer into a simplest form. So we can divide 49 divided by 2. uh, So we get 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Okay, so we have 4 minus 4 is 0. Bring down 9. 9 divided by 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. Okay, so we have 9 minus 8 is equals to 1. Therefore, we have 24 and 1 half. Okay, so our final answer is 24 and 1 half. Okay, next we have, now our objectives here is divide mixed number accurately. Okay, then for example we have the math digest. So Lorenzo spent 7.5 hours playing badminton at the sports zone. Every time he went there, he stayed for 1.5 hours. How many times did Lorenzo go to the sports zone? Okay, so to solve this problem, divide 7.5 by 1.5. The mathematical sentence is 7.5 divided by 1.5. Okay, so let's transform first the 7.5 into a mixed number. So 2 times 7 is 14 plus 1 is 15. It's 15 over 2. Then divided by 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1, 3. That's 3 over 2. Okay. Then we copy the first fraction, change the operation, and get the reciprocal by flipping 3 2, that will become 2/3. So we get reconciled. Okay. Then 15 divided by 3, that is equals to 5. Okay, so 5 is the final answer. Next. Okay, so our concept here in dividing mixed number, change the mixed numbers to fraction form, multiply and the dividend by the reciprocal of the divisor. Okay, let's have an easy round. Direction, divide and reduce the answer to simplest form. So we have here 3/4, then then copy the sign, the operation, change the mixed number into an improper. 5 times 2 is 10 plus 1 11. 11 over 5. Okay, equals, copy 3/4, change the sign or the operation, and then get the reciprocal, that will be 5 over 11. Since we have nothing to cancel. So we multiply side by side. 3 times 5 is 15. And then 4 times 11 is 44. So this is our final answer. Next, we have 5, 6. So copy first. So 5, 6. Then transform the mixed number into improper. So 4 times 3 is 12 plus 1, 13. 13 over 4. Then we got here 5, 6. Okay, 5, 6 times 4 over 13. Now this time, using cross product theorem, we have 4 and 6. The GCF is 2. So 4 divided by 2 is 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Okay. 5 times 2 is 10. And then we got 3 times 13 is 39. Okay, so this is our final answer. Next, we got here 3 and 5, 1/5 divided by 1 and 1/5. So this time we need to transform each first into an improper fraction. 5 times 5 is 25 plus 1, 26. 26 over 5 divided by 5 times 1 is 5 plus 1 is 6 over 5. So we got 26 over 5 times 5 over 6. Okay, so this one is cancelled. And we got here, the GCF of 26 and 6 is 2. Diba? Okay, so we have 3 and this will become 13. 13 times 1 is 13 over 3. Now, how many 3's are there in 13? So there are 4. We got 4 and 1/3. So 4 and 1/3 is our final answer. Get it? Next, let's have the next slide. Okay, so we have here the average round. So, parang wala namang pagkakaiba doon sa easy round. So, this is easier than the easy round. So, we have, remember, any whole number, the denominator is 1. So, we have 8 over 1. Change the first or flip. That's 5 over 3. So we got 5 times 8 is 40 over 3. Okay, then we got, alright, so if you cannot do it directly, so divide 40 divided by 3. So we have 1. 1 times 3 is 3. 10 divided by 3 is 3. 9. Okay, so we got 1. Alright, so we have here 13 and 1/3. This is our final answer. What about the second? So we have 4, 5. Okay, so 4/5, as I told you this a while ago, your 8 has the diminutive 1. So we will flip it directly, it will become 1/8. Okay, so then using cross multiply, so we have 8 and 4, the GCF is 4. So 4 divided by 4 is 1. 8 divided by 4 is 2. So 1 times 1 is 1. 5 times 2 is 10. So 10 is our final answer. Get it? Okay, next. Let's have 21 over 17 divided by. So we need to change first in proper. So 4 times 1 is 4 plus 1 is 5. That's 5 over 4. Next, copy the first. So 21 over 17 times 4 over 5. Okay, so we got 21 times 4 is 84. Right, 84. And then we have 17 times 5. We got 5 times 7 is 35. We have 3. Okay, so we got 85. No? Alright, so we have 84 over 85. Alright, next, let's try another. Now we have here a problem, no? So divide and reduce the answer to lowest to simplest form. So a pineapple juice vendor uses 1/3 kilo of sugar for every pitcher of pineapple juice. So how many pitcher can she mix with 6.5 kilos of sugar? So first we need to identify the given. Okay. So for the given here we have uh 1/3, no? So 1/3 kilo per pitcher. Okay, so per 1/3 kilo of sugar per pitcher, no? So that's it. The one it's included. Okay, and then what's another given here is 6.5 kilos of sugar. Okay, now what is asked in the problem? How many pitcher can she mix with 6.5 kilos? So that means we are looking for the number of pitchers that can be produced using 6.5 kilo of sugar. So for our mathematical sentence, that would be 6.5 divided by 1/3. Okay. So first we need to transform 6.5. So 2 times 6 is 12 plus 1 is 13 over 2. Then change 1/3 is 3 over 2. We got 39 divided by 4. Okay. Now 39 divided by 4, we can divide this. No? So by counting, there are uh, 4 times 9, or 4 times 9 is 36. So we have 9, that's 36. Okay? Because the if we have apat na 18, no, no, no. 4. Kasi 4, 8, 12, 16, 18, 20, 24, 20, basta 36. So we have 3, so we got 39 or 9 and 3/4. Okay. All right. So before we continue, okay, you can solve this on your own. Screenshot and solve. Okay, so you can solve also this. We have a third problem. And then we have the accelerated math. Okay, so we'll do this on the next lesson before we go, and then we need to ano. And words to ponder. In unity there is strength, but in division there is conquest. Love you all, guys, and thank you so much to all the fans or the followers, the subscribers of this channel, the teacher Marife Adonis, the mathematics channel. And though this is vacation, andyan pa rin kayo. Please study harder. If you have questions, just put your comment at the comment section. Love you all. Bye.